Does it look good, Jacob? Because what'd we do? We replaced all of this whole wall in this new door. Jacob did most of the work. I just watched, you'll see. And then inside, now we didn't do any of this. This is somebody else. We were only paid to do this. So we replaced this whole wall where all the new drywall is, put a new door in. We haven't trimmed it yet. I'm not gonna be part of that. He's gonna do it after hours. But he went ahead and put a mud coat on all this. This paint is atrocious. It's gold. Like, you could take this to a pawn shop and probably get away with it. It's that gold. Got a few things. There's a daylight gap. When we trim it, we'll do the daylight gaps. But yeah, so it took us about 8.5 hours to do the whole thing. Wasn't bad at all. So, but we don't have to paint it or anything. And Jacob, the guy out there looking like a fool, he's the one who asked me to help out. We did a good job. He did a good job. So, but I'm gonna show all the time lapse of the whole job real quick, so you'll get a montage of that. And if you like this kind of stuff, be sure to subscribe and comment.